Foxy ruled Ness. He thought he was the king of the woods. Foxy used to jump out from behind the trees and scare all the other animals in the woods. Robin was simply terrified and flew miles away. Even Big Brave Badger moved to a different wood. Foxy was the happiest fox in the world. He ruled Ness. He was the king of Ness Gardens. However, Foxy was very, very lonely in the wood. He wished he had more friends. So Lily the Fairy took his wishes and made them come true. All the animals came back to the wood, and Foxy was never horrible to them again. He didn't scare anybody off, and they all lived happily in the wood.